record-making event today. It's a testimony that we can actually do it.
As a medical fraternity, it is our job to make sure that the discipline of healthcare delivery remains an attractive one.
Dr. Gidigbe, we are very, very proud of you. We want to encourage you to just continue in that spirit of excellence and hard work which you have exhibited over your career. To the glory of God Almighty, to now formally cut the ribbon, declaring this Cedarcrest Hospital, Victoria Land, open.